Find out what's really going on underneath the covers as we demystify storage in the Azure Cloud Shell in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. The first time that you interact with the Azure Cloud Shell, it'll ask you to create an Azure storage account. It's going to use this storage account to persist any keys or any scripts that you might need whenever you're interacting with your resources. Here, if you look at my resource groups, I have a resource group called Cloud Shell Storage West US. And in here you can see the storage account that got created for me. Now, if I was supposed to invoke the Cloud Shell, and let's run an ls command, and you'll see that I have a Cloud Drive folder that's already mounted for me. Let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see what's going on. Now, if I go into that Cloud Drive directory, you'll see that I also have another folder called that Cloud Console. So let's go into that too. And inside of here, I have a file called acc_cecil.img. And this is the file that's actually backing the Azure Cloud Shell to persist any of the information you might need.